afternoon. Now, perhaps we're going to end up getting a 2024 bloody good time in Pattaya video. I've been out so many times only to find it, I'd missed it or been sleeping when it was on. This afternoon I got about 2 hours before the school run. So we got the Osmo Action 4 outside on the front of the car, and we've got the Pocket 3 inside. And this looks like our first bit of flood. Bloody hell it is, look at that. Whee! Oh, no. Now remember, you're not in a pickup truck now, Paddy, so you can't go whizzing through too much. God, look at that. I don't know what, with the rain, it looks alright on the phone. I've got it monitoring it on the phone, but there's going to be water over outside lens. Paddy's on the left. That motorbike, obviously hasn't pulled out in front of me then. We can't really pass him without trenching him. Waving his hand in the air. Oh well, it does flood down by the market, but it floods so bad that I don't think I'd get through, so we might have to go for the old motorway. Can you see? I've got my wipers on as best as we can. I switched both the cameras on the same time, so we'll be able to cut between shots. I have to keep it quite slow because I could aquaplane. Just going to go a bit of dry in a moment, because we're going under the big bridge for the Highway 7 extension. Looking left goes down to Utapao, turning right, looking right goes will take you either into Pattaya or Bangkok. There you go, a little respite for a moment. Perhaps I can get past this motorbike. Now, I understand why motorbikes stopped, bloody old cars stopped. Give their roofs leak. And you look, I mean, most people have got their lights on, but you'll always find some who haven't. It's just mid-afternoon. Right, we're going to back out into it. 3, 2, 1. Looks like someone threw a bucket of bloody lightning. Quite deep, look, you can see a wave. Maybe it's surfing. Look at that on the left. It's hitting something, maybe a drone coming up, or a speed humper, sorry. I don't think a camera outside's going to overheat. Tried to slow down for him, but I think they're still splashing a bit. He did have a big condom on there. Thai word for a raincoat, or my word, like the Thais for my weird words. Yeah, totally flooded in, just a few inches, but right across the road. A little bit of dry here. I haven't got enough petrol. The last thing I want to do is run out of petrol halfway round. I think we're alright. Slow down this motorbike now. I'm on a bit of dry here, at least on the right wheels. Flooded again here. Look. Shortcut. That's good. Straight into the river. And that is deep there. It always floods there. Even though I've done the drains over the last few years. Got a bit of dry day, look. Rocks and all sorts here. Traffic cones. You name it. Really must slow it down. Now, a lot of people don't realise this, but whether you're on a car or motorbike, you can go as deep as your air filter. Wherever your air filtering is on the engine, your car will conk out once that's submerged or drenched. Bloody hell, like it could be here. This is why some of these big pickups have a big pipe coming out for the up onto a roof for the air filter intake, and if it's done properly, you can literally submerge your whole car in the water. Although you've got all your electrics to worry about, obviously. But your main thing is the height of your air filter. Well, you can go quick. About 30 metres. Cha-cha! God, look at it coming the other one. I'm glad we haven't got that here. I remember that when I come home. I expect I'll be out till school time now. Are we still recording everywhere? We are. Now, when we do get on that little road, I'm going to stop and plug this pocket 3 in. The action out the front will have to do with some power it's got. I've got 2 spare batteries for that, so we won't run out of juice. I just said I avoided the worst of a flood so far, and might want to pull in, oh, the guy's parked. I suppose he's unloading. Broken down. Very, very careful. I do not want to break down. Here till Christmas, and that's a push me away for a bit. Anyway, that is steep. If I have enough money, I would like to buy a pickup, so in the future, maybe even next year, we'll do some cracking flood videos, and of course we'll end up, if I do that, we'll end up having a bloody great drought. Let's try and get out in the middle. I don't feel any shallower. So it's alright saying, oh, you weren't wise to come this way, but any other road could be inundated. It don't do the car any good, but it doesn't do it. God blimey, he's going for it, but it don't do it a heck of a lot of harm as long as you keep it away from your air filter. Oh, bloody river going down that other side. Well, rain's eased off, but there's no sign of any brightness in the sky anywhere. Well, it's like this, you can ease off and virtually stop, and then it's out of nowhere, it just all opens up again. There's a big monster of a truck, that's lovely, isn't it? Another Ford Ranger with the big wheels. No, he ain't got no worries. Past the worst of it, and we're turning right. Now my line of thought is to park in the Excite Square, because that's uphill from Cybercast. It doesn't actually flood there. You might get a bit of a river running through it, but it's not actually going to be any depth. Yeah, I think I'm going to speed up again. Whee! Yeah, could show the bars. I don't know how many there is now. Like I said in the other video, it started just with Club 4, which has turned into something else now. And you got a new one here, the Factory. Let's have a count. The Factory, CB, Amsterdam. That's 1, 2, 3. Then there was Club 4. They didn't get the name back. Manyoya 4, Sin 5, Purple 6, Bada Bing 7. So another one 8, 7, 7, one of those is, and Pirates 9 bars anyway. Not a bit of floods down here. Another wasted trip, although this is we've had a bit of scenery of the floods, haven't we? Got Kitty there playing and splashing in the water, being dragged back in by his mum. No, I tell you something, and they must to have had rain like this and no floods here. This was like a foot deep last time when he went round the corner into Chaiyapoon. It got to like about a metre. And sorry Diana, it really was like a river flowing into it. So they have been successful with the drainage they've modernised. Start recording. God, it looks like we are. Yep. Well, action's been going. Well, both of them have been going for ages. But We're not going to have a bloody good time in Pattaya, are we? I'm having quite a good time looking. And you get a little tour. Some of it will, a lot of it will cut out or speed up. It's always nice to have a good look at Beach Road. Get the window open again. That tide's bloody high. You see if it had it flooded more. I haven't seen that tide so high. Yes, I don't know if you get spring tides and neap tides here. Because tidal levels are different all over the world. I mean, you know, the difference between your high tide and low tide on a spring tide in the UK is like can be quite a lot of meters, whereas in the Mediterranean there's never much difference high and low of more than a metre. So Thailand, it does go out quite a bit here sometimes. Oh, there's a puddle here, look. That'll be a flood, but a puddle. Well, that's the last time I come out. I leave my home to come and look for floods. I've done it so many times now, and today was the day I really thought it was going to happen, but it didn't. So we'll get you along the end of Beach Road and into Walking Street, I think, and then we'll wrap it up. Because I've been everywhere where it's likely to flood, and it hasn't, so... ain't no chance of a surprise now. And this queue is only for the cars going in left into Central in a minute. Once you pass Central, the congestion will clear. Like dead calm out now, I tell you. And it's still raining, but just not like it was. So 7 on the left, lovely corner bar. So it clears once you get past Central, but it's chocker as far as I can see. It's a bit late to go up, sorry, 8. If that taxi wants fares, he really should be over on the other lane. Hey. Gone up, sorry, 8. It's been Clang if I'm known it was going to be like that. We're moving now. There's your Central, and there's cars on the left. They're going in for the car park. And it is opening up a bit, just not as clear as it was. I'll tell you something, I wouldn't mind parking there, but look at that beach. Because that is really, really high. I just got a wave. So I drive it with my headlights on, rain or shine, but there's a lot that don't. Mega high, that water. I'd stop in here if I thought there was going to be a parking space, but don't think they will. You squeeze a motorbike in. No, don't worry. It says, and the first one available was free. Not to worry. Not to worry, man. I wonder if Phil's in the pub. If he is there early, he's normally busy doing stuff anyway, so he don't want me disturbing him. A very wet walking street.